Hey guys, welcome back to the Bob Hurley Outdoor Adventure Series. I'm Derek Searcy.
And I'm Billy Taylor.
And Billy, today we're gonna cook breakfast burritos, man. We've got our Firedisc back out here, and man, I think we're gonna have a...
I'm cooking today. Give me that apron.
Did I mention I haven't eaten today?
I'm not ready.
I can tell.
Just checking.
So Greg, obviously we've got our Firedisc here. We've got all the stuff that you asked me to get to make these breakfast burritos. Let's get these things fired up. How hard is that to do?
That's an easy thing. Okay, that one's on. We're making heat, so we're gonna start out by putting some grease in this one.
All right, here. How much grease do I need to put in there?
That's a good start. Good start. Good start. We're gonna make hash browns in this one. This one we're gonna cook our sausage in.
Okay. I need to do that over here too?
No.
Oh, thanks for throwing hot grease at me. All right.
That's why you're wearing an apron. Quit being a girl.
I'm pretty sure that'd help with my arm.
We're gonna open up some of that J.C. Potter sausage.
All right, you ready for it?
Right here.
When are you ready for it?
I'm ready right now.
All right, let's go. Got my samurai sword right here. So do we need to cut it up or do we just need to throw it on there? You just kind of mix it up whenever you're doing?
Throw it in there. We're gonna make it just like hamburger meat.
Oh, I love it. I love it when it's easy. It's the cutting up and stuff I'm not a big fan of.
Well, that'll be a good project for you.
I already miss Billy. How many of these do you want? You just want one to start out? Two?
Start out with two. Sausage. Okay, so we get this turned up all the way because we're going to cook the hash browns in that. We'll put this on a stall in a little bit.
Okay.
Because this will cook faster than the hash browns. Cut up some of them peppers. Bam.
Bam.
Peppers are cooked. It's kind of hard to screw this up.
That's what it looks like.
So saying that is if we do, it's your fault.
If we do, we're sticking with fajitas from now on. Man, it smells good already. Yeah, knock that GoPro in there so they really know what it's like. You can kind of just spin it around.
Let's go ahead and dump some of them hash browns in there, just a little dab, and let's see if they'll sizzle good. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Just dump it all in.
Load them.
How many bags?
Well, one for just a minute. We'll kind of get them going, and then we'll dump another on top of it.
Do I need to spread these out a little bit?
Yes, sir.
You know, the one good thing about this is Billy doesn't usually let me get involved, so the fact that I'm actually doing something here is kind of nice.
Yeah, I wanted to try to get you involved in this so that if anybody asks you about a Firedisc, you knew how to run
I can
one.
actually turn it on?
Yeah. Let's throw some of them.
How do you have that big of a disc if you can't keep the meat inside of there?
It just happens. Let's throw some of them peppers in here. Let's get them softening up.
Do it here in the sausage?
Yeah, sure, why not?
There may or may not have been wrapper from the sausage just went in there. We got it out though, it's fine.
There may or may not.
You going back there to pee? Where are you going?
Yeah, I gotta pee.
Did you get that off the ground?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. It's like you know what's going on. Should I take a look at that? Did you look at it when you opened it?
Yeah, let's look. Stir them up. Well, this is where we would normally be making
Mimosas?
mimosas or Bloody Marys.
So how long have you been making this stuff?
A couple years in a Firedisc. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
How many people you guys normally cook for out there? I mean, because obviously you can make a ton of food.
We usually cook for 7 or 8, but we have enough for 30.
That's
So
all right, you got
if
plenty
you
for
make
leftovers
this on
and stuff.
Saturday morning, then you can eat it for lunch on Saturday and breakfast again on Sunday.
No, that'll work, man.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of meat.
Oh, and that's a ton of meat.
We haven't even put eggs in yet.
Did I mention I haven't eaten yet today?
Yeah.
Did I mention I haven't eaten today?
You brought that up.
Stir
Potatoes
this back up?
They're not getting as done as I'd like to see them getting. Because at some point we'll add them in here.
Uh-huh.
And they kind of create a little bit more mush.
Are you just trying to get them, obviously they're still a little mushy, you're just trying to get them to get a little texture in there and crisp up a little bit? I did not trust you with that knife.
It's probably a good thing. Pay real close attention.
You know, we've messed up a whole lot while we've been doing these videos and stuff like that, but I've not been stabbed yet.
Well, it's still early. I'll try to be careful. Can you do the 1 egg open thing?
No, I'm the guy that I do it with one and then I use the other hand to try to fish the shell out.
Yeah, well, that's another good thing about this is it's okay if it's got some shells in it. 'Cause nobody will really
You'll
know.
never know, will you?
Yeah, it's fine.
So we good for this other bag? You think?
Now you got some shit. Now you got it. Look at you go.
It's like I know what I'm doing. Well, unlike winterizing campers and stuff like that, I have cooked before. One time.
Right?
Oh,
Right
yeah.
there. Look at it. Would you just look at it?
Oh, all I saw was that video in my head. Did you ever see that?
Yeah.
Would you just look at it?
Look at it.
Just look at it.
How's the taters look?
Oh, that's what I was about to check out.
Thought my apron was on fire.
Well, you can cook on it or set yourself on fire. It's fine. I'm ready to see this one-handed egg trick. Are we about there yet?
I can't do it. That's why I asked if you could do it.
No, there's
I
no
can't.
way.
No. I guess we could start busting some and putting them in a
In a non-existent container?
container.
Oh, we got
Watch this. Container, please.
Oh, yeah, we got shell on that one for sure. I was doing so good and now I'm getting sloppy here.
Okay, we probably should dump that. Is that?
I don't know, this is your show. I just... Well, make sure you get it real good because there's some shells in there for sure.
We're gonna let that cook a little bit, then we're gonna stir it up, then we're gonna dump that in there, we're done.
That's it? Well, man, I'll tell you what, the one good thing about having a fire disc is, you know, whenever you're at home and you're cooking, you can't cook all this stuff together. You couldn't cook this amount of food this quickly, so it's gonna be really nice to be able to get it all in there at once and cook one meal and, you know, the one fire disc right there.
Yeah, it's so much easier than having multiple pans. And then, you know, you cook your hash browns, you set them aside, you cook something else, now the hash browns are cold, and so.
No, that's exactly how it happens around my
yeah,
house.
Yeah.
You know, it's throwing me off just a little bit. Like, I know that it's a robe, but with the apron, it looks more like a dress. I mean, I don't want to keep bringing up Billy, but he's never worn a dress to the set before.
Sometimes there was just time for change. And you like your eggs? Runny or non-runny?
I just like eggs. I'm not real picky. My wife, like, she's scrambled only. I like over medium, over easy. I'll do about anything. I love eggs.
Go ahead.
But, no, it's like, what am I doing wrong?
I was going to help you. Okay. Cowboy, what did we saw? Camping burritos?
I don't, yeah.
Cowboy burritos.
Cowboy burritos? And
Damn, look at that.
that looks pretty good. We
You
can
ever
put
put
some
one there?
tortillas around the edge, but this is ready to eat.
Okay. Well, you just want to dump it then?
Yeah. You ready?
I'm ready.
You sure?
Yep. Man, it smells so good. Well, you can tell the food's about ready because everyone's starting to circle around us now.
Audience now.
All right.
There you go.
All right.
There you go.
We got our cheese.
Let's do this.
So much food. That's a man-sized burrito right there, man.
That'll get it done. That'll get it done.
I like this stuff right there.
Yeah.
Well, man, thanks for showing me how to make these breakfast burritos on the fire disc. It was super easy, but man, let's get out of here and finish this meal and get these camera guys out of here. I'm done. I want a couple burritos.
I'm with you on that. Let's do it.
All right.